Hi, I'm Kalyani Martalkat and I'm a trainer at BenQ Middle East. Today I have the RM03 panel behind me and I'm going to take you through the basic functionality of the same. So as a teacher, you'll realize how easy it is to use. There are no fancy features. Everything's right in the front, nothing behind, nothing embedded below. So it's very easy to use. So let me walk you through it. Let's see how we can turn the panel on. So you see this little power on option over here? You simply press that once and you wait for the red light to turn green. So now that the panel is powered on, let's see what's on the screen. So we have a couple of apps right on the screen. But before we get to that, let's see what some of these ports and buttons are. So on the left side, we have some navigation tools. We have the power on, of course. We have home button, back button, settings, sound up and sound down. And on this side, we have the ports. So we have a Type-C, we have HDMI, we have touch cable USB, as well as two public USBs. So here are the two cables that you need to connect your laptop to the panel. The first one is an HDMI cable, and the second one is a USB touch cable, both of which I've connected one side to the laptop, and the other side I will now connect to the panel. So HDMI is in. Next, I have the touch cable. So as you can see, my laptop is now on the panel. More so, I can take complete touch control of my laptop by just pressing on the screen. So here I have YouTube opened. I can scroll down and I can find the video that I want. So I'm going to go ahead and press this over here and my video started. At any point, if you want to leave the HDMI option and change sources to say Android or OPS or any of the other options, you simply swipe up from the middle and here you have the connection guide. So I'm going to go ahead and press Android and now we are back to our home page. Now that we're back to Android, let's see how we can navigate the panel without a remote. So you have all your buttons over here. Simply press settings and you get your connection as well as your general options. So connection is basically telling us how we can switch between Android or your laptop, OPS, VGA, DisplayPort, etc. etc. We then have general settings. So this is basically your audio and picture settings. To increase or decrease volume, you just swipe left or right, and if you want, you can even mute the screen. On this side, we basically have our brightness settings as well as our eye care features. So this is very good for your students' eyes as well as your eyes. On the home page, you have a couple of icons. So you have connection, which is basically your wireless presentation connection. We have login options and we have easy write, which is our whiteboard. Apart from that, you also have sidebars on either side of the screen. So you have a home option, back option, easy write, which is our whiteboard, and you even have the option to freeze the screen. So as a teacher, let's say that you're showing a presentation. You want to pause for a couple of minutes and explain further. Freeze the screen, and when you want to unfreeze, simply press exit freeze. Apart from that, you also have the floating toolbar option. So this ensures that you can be on either side of the screen and you can just press the sidebar that's there on both the sides. So apart from this, the entire panel can also be controlled with the help of the smart remote. So remote comes with a couple of features. We have power on, power off. We have laser pointer as well as a spotlight feature. Apart from that, we have settings, volume up, down, blanking the screen, freezing the screen. It even comes with a back button as well as a home button. And to top it all, we even have an inbuilt mic that comes with the remote as well. So that brings us to the end of the training module. I really hope you enjoyed the session. If you have any doubts or questions, please feel free to reach us on the website or the email ID given below, and we'll be sure to get back to you. Once again, thank you so much and have a great day.